Okay, we are going to Costco. So I'm just getting my stuff together. I have to leave Rubes and he's not happy. I'm obsessed with this belt bag. I think it's so convenient. I love having hands-free, even with like the crossbody bags. They drive me crazy because they like hang there. So I've been loving this, and it's small, so it's the perfect size to fit everything, but you don't have to bring like extra stuff. And I'm just gonna wear like a light jacket today because I don't want to get too hot. I'm also going to go into Marshall's, which is like Winners, the dollar store, and the LCBO, I think. Yeah. And I'm bringing a protein bar. These are my favorite protein bars. They are from Costco. I have to get more today. And I have to get stuff for my in-laws. They live like half an hour past us, so like an hour from Costco, and we go to town a lot more than they do, so we always ask if they need anything while I'm in town. And I asked my mom, so I'll probably get stuff for her. So it's gonna be a really good day. And I have to get gas in the truck, which I'm a little nervous about. So this is the Lululemon Never Lost keychain, I believe it's called, and I love it. Yeah, I'm a little nervous to get gas in the truck because it's so dang expensive right now, but we have to. I think that's it. Oh, my sunglasses.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life.
Okay, I just went to Winners. I didn't buy anything. And then I went to dollar store and got a couple like random things. And then I went to the LCBO, and now I'm eating my pulled pork pizza. It's lunchtime. And then I'm gonna go in to Costco. I just filled up the truck, $150 to fill it up. While I was doing that, this man was driving by me, and he rolled down his window. He's like, "Did you win the lottery or something?" I'm like, "Yeah, it feels like you need to buy gas these days." Luckily, I don't really drive very far with the truck at all. I drive it probably like once or twice a week around our town, and then Derek gets free gas, so. But I feel for people who are trying to like just pay to get to work. It's insane. Like, it's gonna make people broke, and people who are already on a tight budget, like you're gonna have to choose between gas and food at some point, like if it keeps going this way. It's insane. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go into Costco after I finish this pizza. From Costco, and we have a haul. So this is everything. I spent $380 at Costco, but a lot of it actually, well, not a lot of it, but like a quarter of it's not even for us, so I will show you. But first I'll start with non-Costco stuff. So I went to the Dollarama. I got 2 things of gum, and then Derek needed a new notebook for work, so I got him that. Then I went to the LCBO. I got 2 things of wine, and then just a couple coolers to keep in the fridge. So I got Sucking Lemons. This tastes like lemonade. It's really, really good. And a Great Black Fly. This is also good. These ones are really sugary, but I like it. And then these are my favorite, like, low sugar coolers, and they are the vodka lemonade raspberries. I haven't had them since last summer, so that was just a little stock up for the fridge. So Costco, I got Tostito rounds. We love these. I got some wild blueberries. I put this in my smoothie every single morning, so I go through this bag pretty quickly. We love these, obviously. We get them all the time, so I just got 2 new boxes. Got some milk, and then these apple pie rolls are so good, and I've had them twice now in the oven, and I want to do them in the air fryer. I think they'll be like way better than they already are in the air fryer, so I got that. Some chicken. We did a lot of meat stock up last time, so we didn't need a ton of meat, but we do go through chicken pretty quickly. Bananas. This buffalo blue salad kit, my friend told me to get it, so I decided to try it tonight with a rotisserie chicken. Derek wanted rotisserie chicken and he likes making chicken wraps, but I'm gonna have a salad and see what it is. This one, or see what it's like. This one is a buffalo ranch one, so it has broccoli, carrots, lettuce, buffalo croutons, blue cheese, and then buffalo ranch sauce. I love the dill pickle one of this. I'm sure this one's probably good too. Wraps. I buy this big thing of Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt, and I use it for everything, and I usually eat it at least once a day, so I'd go through this again pretty quickly. Eggs. We haven't been eating as many eggs lately, actually, so I only got one, and I normally get 2. This I'm really excited to try. It was actually on sale as well for $9 for this whole bag. I've heard really good things about this. It's also made in Canada. It's a protein pancake and waffle mix. So we're having breakfast for dinner tomorrow, so I think I'm gonna make these and try them out. But I have heard a lot of people like say good things about it. The Heavenly Hunks, these are amazing. Oatmeal dark chocolate. They're like little cookies and they're so soft. I love them so much. They're also gluten-free and dairy-free. They're vegan, so try them. They're so good. And then we also like to snack on these bark thins. These are also really good, and I also put them in my yogurt with berries, and it's really good. But we like to eat these after dinner. Then these are for my parents' house, but we buy these as well. They are liver bites. I believe they're beef liver. Yeah, pure beef liver. And they're so good for the dogs, obviously. Like, I don't know if they're good, but the dogs love them. And they are very smelly, so it's a really good incentive for, like, training and rewards and stuff. And they're really, like, low in fat and calories. So Ruger's been having a very upset tummy lately, and these don't upset them because they're just so, like, pure and, like, not fatty. So these are really good. Anyways, this whole bag is $10, and if you buy them at I think at the other store it's like $10 for a smaller bag, so I'd like to get them at Costco. And then this is all for Derek's parents, so sensitive skin bars, Activia yogurt. They really like these Balderson cheese snacks things. Half and half cream, and then 3 chocolate milk for them. Oh, and some toilet paper. And then I got this succulent. I thought it was so pretty. I loved the jar it was in, as well as the actual plant itself. I thought it was really nice. And succulents, you only have to water once every 7 to 10 days, it says right here. So I don't know where I'm going to put it yet, but I mean, I think I can keep that alive. I might put it on my desk, but I'm not sure yet. But I thought this like pot it was in was really nice, and it was only $11. And then we are going through a period with Rugs about him having like back issues. So one thing they suggested was we put down a rug, like when he jumps off the bed he can hit the rug instead of the floor. So this is a bath rug, but it kind of can pass as a bedroom rug, I think. But I'm just gonna try it out and see, and I can always return it. It's really soft. We have this in the trailer for him when he jumps on the bed as well, just to give him some traction. So I just got the same one that we have in the trailer, and we'll see how it works. And then I got these really cute shorts. They look like the Lululemon Align biker shorts, and I love the color of them. They're so cute. So I got a small. Hopefully a small will fit and I don't need a medium, but I just love the color, and I've been really into like working out in shorts lately, so I got those. And then for my mom, I got her this skirt, which I think I already got dirty. But I got her this skirt, and she already had it, but she got the wrong size, so she just wanted a different size. But yeah, it's cute. This was $17.99. And then I think these were $14.99, so that's a pretty good price for some nice shorts. So that was it. Everything from Costco, and I hope you enjoyed that little haul. So I'm putting these in the garage freezer, but I got 2 packs of English muffins. We go through these so fast. And then I also got 2 packs of this Bellagio bread for Derek's lunches. But he's excited that I'm home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.